So 13 points up for Nifty, 44 points up for the Sensex. JP Associates has been a trending stock. In fact, it was the top rated counter on Thursday and Friday on National Stock Exchange. Almost 53 rupees for JP Associates. I want to check on the capital goods stocks one by one, starting with L&T, Crompton Greaves, BHEL, Cummins, ABB, and then Siemens. L&T above 1050. You got Crompton Greaves just sitting at 125, ABB 662, and then Cummins is at 432 rupees. For the month gone by, the capital good index was up more than 7%, and that is one space which surely has rediscovered a lot of momentum.
The Bank Nifty as well has gotten off on a strong note in the run-up to the RBI policy, and of course post the GDP data, higher by about almost 0.5% there. The UP sugar crisis, at least for the meantime, seems to be over. So let's see what the sugar stocks are up to in trade. Renika up about almost 1.25%. Balrampur Chini higher by about 2%. Dhampur Sugars, remember in the last bout as well, this came out to be the strongest of the lot. Another 3% bump up coming in there. And Bajaj Hindustan as well has gotten off to a smart start there in trade. Diesel prices hiked by about 50 paise per litre with effect from midnight. BPCL higher by about 0.6%, and that seems to be the case across pretty much the OMC pack. November auto sales for M&M as well as Tata Motors. Tata Motors disappointing, but Rajesh Srivastava says completely ignore the monthly, or rather the domestic sales from Tata Motors. What about Mahindra and Mahindra? On a month-on-month basis, that too has been a disappointment. Tata Motors is pretty much undeterred, stock holding high, M&M lower by about 0.6%. Power Grid FPO opens tomorrow. That stock will just come for you on your screens. L&T, it seems, is now mulling monetization of certain L&T infra assets. So that again is a stock which is going to be in focus. Just one more name, and Amtech India, small cap stock, but the net profit has surged this time around on a year-on-year basis. There you go. It's a 13% bump up that you're seeing on Amtech India, reacting to its very smart earnings this quarter, 13.5% up in the green and still going strong. FT, by the way, Financial Technologies, and on a sequential basis, the net profit is coming only at 27 crore rupees versus a comparable of 81. FT 168 is where the stock is. But yes, metals have been the strongest of the lot last week.